Hello, my name is Michael Niren. I'm the managing partner of Niren Associates. I'm here today to talk to you about Humanitarian and Compassionate Applications, or H&Cs. Humanitarian and Compassionate Applications are immigration applications for people who are in Canada but don't have status. Some of these individuals have lived in Canada for many, many years. Sometimes they're married, they have families, they have jobs, but they don't have papers. So they are in a situation where they feel that they belong in Canada, but they don't have permanent resident status. So the Humanitarian and Compassionate Application is a process for these individuals to attempt to get immigration status. And how it works is that in order to qualify for the H&C category, they have to show two things. One, they have to show that they will suffer hardship in their home country. This means that if they were required to go back to their home country and leave Canada, they will suffer economic or social hardship. They won't be able to establish themselves. They've been in Canada too long. Their ties are to Canada, and they're really not going to survive very well in their home country any longer. Some of these individuals that we've dealt with have been in Canada for decades, and that's going to be an easy case to make. However, there are some individuals who've applied for the humanitarian category who do have ties to their home country, and it will be a hard argument to make that they'll suffer hardship. Every case is different. The other aspect of the humanitarian category is they have to show establishment in Canada. That despite that they don't have status here, they have to show that they've made Canada their home. They could show that they volunteered here. They could show they have social ties here. They can show they have economic opportunities here to survive in Canada and do well and make a contribution. So the way it works with the humanitarian category is we have to present a case to Canada Immigration that the candidate is deserving to stay in Canada despite the fact that they don't have status here. And the procedure for that is we fill out forms, we provide lots of supporting documents, including letters for volunteer, reference letters, employment letters, a whole bunch of different things that are very necessary to show that this person is really worth considering for immigration. The application is sent to an immigration office. It's processed. Sometimes it could take about a year. And most likely you're going to have an interview with an immigration officer who's going to ask you a whole bunch of questions about why you should stay in Canada, what your background is, and then at that point a decision will be made as to whether or not you qualify. And if you do qualify, you're going to have to go through the regular procedures, get medical examinations as well as criminal background checks. And if all goes well, despite the fact that you don't have status here in Canada, you can get permanent resident status. So I hope this video was informative for you, and we're here to help. Any questions, let us know. Thank you.